Holy.
Sort of. That's pretty strange, isn't it?
What the hell is that?
Why do you think they've kept that a secret?
Another U-turn. That's not a cop. Dude, can you really, like, give me some room to operate here? Why are you... What are you doing? What the fuck are you doing? And he's exiting. Of course he is.
Go ahead and do that. Because I would like there to be something good come from this horrible collection of bullshit, batshit, crazy shit that I do every fucking week.
And Make-A-Wish, from everything I've heard, are actually really legit. Like,
yes, Make-A-Wish is good people.
Really nice things for kids that are sick, and they're not fucking around like...
What the fuck are you doing? Man, Easy Pass is an awesome thing to have about now, isn't it? Oh, and everyone is going into the lane that's closed. That's funny. Oh, he got cut off bad. G6. One home place to drop off people. Oh, no signal or nothing. You're about to merge it back in. Come on. Yeah, no. It'd be nice to go onto an expressway faster than 35. And you're merging left for some reason. There was also pavement there.
You done messed up, Aaron!
What the fuck are you doing? Yeah, you don't see me here? Yeah, left lane in, right lane in. Come on, keep going. Why the hell did you slam on your brakes? Oh, what the hell? Yeah. So I'm paying cash in the Easy Pass lane. At least I finally got an Easy Pass for this thing. See if it works. My first time using it. Yes, it does work. I did it right.
Sold at anniversary pricing, laminates, luxury vinyl planks, everything. Folks, I cannot stress enough.
Me on that side of the line. Make my left turn hard on me.
Oh, traffic's that bad?
Yeah, going through downtown Hartford is not a fun thing.
And, you know, single and you're connecting with a very attractive young woman. I think I'd probably want that out.
Where are you turning? The bad guy, but oh, he still could be. I mean, they kind of left that like wide open, and we're gonna stop in the middle of the intersection because we can. Yeah, you're semi-smart.
Well, it wasn't his fault. It's still those douches up there.
Yeah, they're back too far. People are shopping, and we can't go now. Yay! Oh, man, there's a Jimmy John's here.
What's Jimmy John's?
They make some really good subs there.
Oh,
New one.
Well, I get your right to bear arms, but you don't have the right to bear a full freaking identity. There's some people who want to be.
Used by codename Rome today. You have to use
What's that guy doing?
Confused.
Yes, we are.
And that might be a close call, Sal. I agree with that.
Are you kidding me?
Are you going to get the EJ manual that's played at the end of the preseason and those last couple weeks? Because if you are, I think that would be the better play.
Yeah, there was a car right in front of you.
That's the EJ you're...
They have no headlights on. What are you doing? Both those lanes turn left. The fuck are you doing, Lexus? From Jersey? Turn them shits off. God damn it. Spelled with an F, and there's spat that's spelled with a PH. And wow. See that guy? See that van got cut off up there?